Hello, this is Tasha from Non-Packaging Machinery Company. Today, I'd like to show you a machine for packing cereal. And this is the finished product packaged by this machine. This machine is suitable for various nuts, chips, candy, and so on. And this machine is a high-speed machine. Packaging speed is up to 50 bags per minute. Now, let's take a look at the details of this machine. This is Z-type conveyor, conveying the material to the multi-heads electronic conveyor. The multi-heads weigh with high accuracy. The machine with dimple surface to avoid the sticky unplied surface. We can adjust the target weight on touch screen. This is laser coding device. Print the production date on bags. Laser coding both slow and more environmentally friendly. After weighing, the machine will fill in the material into the bag, and then sealing and cutting the film, output the finished product. Let me show you the machine running. Please contact us if you are interested. Bye-bye.